Alarm blast. Fuck that noise. Let that eyes, no fucking choice. Same case, same script. Yeah. Fuck it. 6 a.m. Same cold floor, same day route, seen it before. Boss breath stink, talking shit, fake ass smile, I'm done with it. Clacking, so get drained. Every hour feel like change. They say hustle, I say trap. Whole damn life in a time card out. Work. We clocking, get fuck raw. Same routine, same damn law. They see artists, we see that. The same grind, no escape yet. Paycheck small, stress too big. Break my back for some bullshit gig. Manager talk like he on my soul. Bitch, you broke just like a czar. Lunch break smoke, kill the pain. Back inside that fucking chain. You say career, I say scam. We just numbers in your plan. Number, hold it in, don't snap yet. Art is rage in my chest. Hold it. We clock it, get fuck raw. Same routine, same damn law. They see artists, we see that. The same grind, no escape yet. Burn out. Burn out. No sleep, no rest, no break. Every move that I make, fake. System built just to take and replace when you break. You talk dreams, I talk rent. You talk ghosts, I talk dead. You want fame, I want air. Just one day without despair. Go! Fuck your boss, fuck your plan. Fuck that fake, be a man. Work all day, die broke, facts. That's the loop, no way back. We clocking, get fuck raw. Same routine, same damn law. They see artists, we see